Hello, how are you today? I hope you're having a good day. So today I just have a little bit of a Tiffany haul. So Tiffany unboxing, I guess. I purchased a couple things about right around New Year's. Sorry, it was right around New Year's when I was up in Dallas. I have a sales associate there who is wonderful. If you ever go to the North Park Mall, if you're from the area, go to Dallas to the North Park Mall at Tiffany. Talk to Stefania. She is wonderful. She's been my sales associate for seven or 8 years, and I can always count on her. She takes her time with me. She's patient. She will look anything up. Like, she's awesome. So definitely talk to Stefania if you go to the North Park Mall. I have a couple things. First of all, you'll know if you watched my London haul, what I got in London over Thanksgiving, you'll know that I picked up something from Tiffany in Harrods. I did get that, and that is a charm. So it's a little London charm. It's kind of sitting on me funny. Let's see. Yeah, there you go. It's a London charm, and it's like a little postcard on the back. There's a little Tiffany stamp in blue, and you know, where you, the little lines where you'd write the address. So really cool. It's like a little London postcard. It has Big Ben on the front with London. So I did get that there, and I do have a charm bracelet. I have another Tiffany collection video, but it's from a few years ago. I've definitely gotten a few more things since then, and so I have another bracelet just like this one, and it has quite a few charms on it, and it was starting to get heavy, and so I wasn't wearing it because it was getting heavy. So what I decided to do was to take off one of those charms and then add this charm that I purchased in London, so have the two charms on a new bracelet. I did purchase this new bracelet, so this was something that I got over over New Year's, and it was really sweet of Stefania because we sent the bracelet off to have some stuff done to it, so I'll tell you that in a second. But she went ahead and wrapped up the box for me, so there's nothing in here. Maybe the little pouch, I'm not sure, but it's just so pretty with the red wrapping. This is the, you know, the holiday. Normally it's the white, the satin ribbon, but the red ribbon is just so pretty. So I appreciate that she did that. Like I said, is I got this bracelet, and they had to make it a little bit smaller, so they took out a couple of the links because they didn't have any. This was the size large, and I have a fairly small wrist, so they took out a couple links. I got those back, of course, and they also added the London charm, so they added this, and I removed my apple charm. So that's a little apple charm that I got when I went to New York with my daughter a few years ago for her senior trip, I guess. What I'm really wanting to do is to make a bracelet that's just kind of like a souvenir bracelet, almost like a travel bracelet. So when I go somewhere to a city that has Tiffany, I would like to buy a charm kind of that reminds me of that city in a way. I do, like I said, I have this one from New York, this one from London. I have another one that I bought in San Francisco for my honeymoon, but I kept that on the other charm just because it's more about the honeymoon than the place, I think. So I just went ahead and kept that on the other charm. And of course I have a charm that I bought in Austin, but you know, I go to Austin fairly often. This will be for like cities when I go on vacation, kind of, if that makes sense. I also picked something else up, and it is in this box. Let's hope it's in this box. It may be in that one, in the red box. I don't remember. But I haven't opened it, as you can see, since I got it. And I'm really, really excited to open this and wear it because it matches another piece that I have. So let's go ahead and get into it. It's just so hard sometimes to break into these ribbons because they're just so pretty. But I do have quite a few. So there's the box, and inside the box is just the little pouch, and yeah, it's in there. It's just the little pouch. All right, let me So there's a little pouch, and they're just down in here. Yep. So these are the pearl earrings, little pearl earrings, and they match this necklace.
So I got this necklace, I think, my life goes in semesters, so I think about semesters since I teach, but I think I got it this past semester in the fall semester, I think.
But it has a little diamond and then the pearl there. So I wanted to get some earrings to match this necklace. So I'm going to put them on and we'll see how it looks. I haven't actually tried them on yet. Okay, so here they are. So they aren't huge. I think they're pretty much just the right size for a little stud, and they match my necklace. So I love how they look, how it looks together. I don't wear earrings that often, and I have a lot of pretty ones, but I just thought it'd be really nice to have something that, you know, that matches. And I'm not sure, I think these are the, I think there's like Siegfried or something. I can't find the receipt. I don't know what I did with it. If I can find these, I will link them below. But they weren't super expensive. I know they were under $500, probably way under that, because I don't think I paid that much. Definitely didn't pay that much for them. So anyway, I just want to do a quick unboxing for you. I would love to do a collection video for you, like an updated one, because like I said, I've added several pieces. I've sold a couple, I think. So if you'd like to see that, let me know below. And I hope you like this video. My ring light just went out. Sorry about that. I hope you like this video, and if you haven't subscribed yet, I would really appreciate it if you did. I'm almost at 1,000 subscribers, and I would really like your help in getting there. So I hope you have a great day, and I will talk to you very soon.